Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Nur HAIKAL bin SAIFUL and from CDIM 262 System Manager. So today, I'll be talking about the Minimax regret criterion, a decision-making approach used when facing uncertainty about future outcomes. The Minimax rules are particularly useful because they avoid the need to assign probabilities to future scenarios, which can be challenging, especially in the public sector. However, despite their advantages, there are some challenges to applying this approach. This presentation will provide guidance for planners considering minimax regret, a widely used variation, and will analyze how it works with finite future scenarios. While minimax regret offers benefits, it can also be sensitive to the selection of scenarios and potentially lead to manipulation. Next is the components characteristic criteria of respective area. First, regret measurement. Second, decision metrics. Third, minimax regret principle. And last but not least, generalized approach. First, regret is measured as the difference between the result of the action you choose and the best possible result you can have achieved if you knew the future. This approach helps measure missed opportunities, ensuring that decisions consider the cost of not choosing the best option in hindsight. Second, decisions and outcomes are organized in a decision matrix. This matrix helps visualize all possible scenarios and makes it easier to calculate regret for each decision. Thirdly, the principle of minimax regret focuses on minimizing the worst regret across all scenarios. It calculates the maximum regret for each decision and chooses the one with the smallest maximum regret. This is especially helpful when future probabilities are unknown or unreliable. Finally, the minimax regret approach can be adapted to include varying degrees of pessimism. Using Horror Index, it balances worst case and best case thinking, offering flexibility for decision makers to align with different levels of risk tolerance. Let's see the example. Imagine a company decided on a power plant investment under three potential demand scenarios: low, medium, and high. For each decision, building a small, medium, or large plant. We calculate the regret by comparing the outcomes of that decision to the best possible outcome for each scenario. For instance, if the best outcome for low demand is from a small plant, we calculate how much worse the medium or large plant performs compared to it. So, what decision we gonna make then? The decision with the smallest maximum regret is to build a medium plant, as it minimizes the worst regret. This example shows how the minimax regret approach helps the cautious yet effective decision. In conclusion, the minimax regret criterion is an effective way to make decisions when the future is uncertain. By minimizing potential regret, this approach ensures decisions are both practical and psychologically sound. Expanding this method to include varying levels of pessimism make it more flexible and applicable to real-world situations. Decision makers can adjust their strategies to fit their preferences and reduce the impact of regret, making this approach a valuable tool in uncertain environment. Here's for the reference. That's all from me. Thank you for watching.